Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's very exciting because I just went to heaven and I came back. By heaven, I mean Dollar Tree. Recently, I made a trip to dollar store, try to find all the makeups that I can to come over here, try it out, and lose my face because of YouTube. So make sure to subscribe to my channel before even starting this video. Hit the bell button. All right, let's start. You guys, we went to dollar store recently. Obviously, this is a dollar store. Dollar makeup. Mateen, after 15 years living in this country, he hasn't been to the Dollar Tree. I don't even understand. I used to live in Dollar Tree. He couldn't believe that everything was $1, so he would literally go through every aisle, grab a ton of shit. I feel like I let the child going wild. Legit, it was his toy store. Like, he would go to every person and say, I can't believe everything is $1 here. We made it out with bunch of junk food that we didn't even need. I actually bought whatever I could. Like, there are some probably items missing. I'm gonna use all I have and we'll see if it's gonna be a disaster or it's gonna be a decent makeup like that dollar makeup that I recently did. All right, guys, let's dive in. There was no primer whatsoever, so I already moved on to the foundation. It's Sassy Plus Chic. It's a moisturizing foundation. I got the foundation in shade medium 1. So obviously it's a dollar packaging. You see there is no tip, legit whole coming out. I'm using my infamous Sigma tapered kabuki brush. I'm looking at left because my mirror is right over here. Hopefully the color matches my skin tone. There wasn't too many options as far as the shade would go. All right. Whew, that was hard to blend, but that's the first layer. Very minimal coverage, you know, it just gives you that tint, but very hard to blend. Going in with the second layer, the only reason I'm doing this with the second layer, now I'm thinking it's to ruin my skin. I'm gonna set my foundation with the press powder. Okay, guys, I don't know what this one is. What is this? The sponge to like apply? What is this? What is this? Yeah, whoa. They did the packaging though. This is the mirror. I got it in shade rose beige. I think it's pretty rosy. The foundation is pretty sticky. Very nice. Okay, moving on to the brows. What I found was Ardell, which is a decent brand. If you're familiar with the brand Ardell, they make one of the best fake lashes. Pro Brow Building Fiber Gel in medium brown. Honestly, I never tried anything like this before, guys. I usually don't do anything to my brows because I'm lazy. I really like it so far. I'm really digging this, and this would be one of those things that I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and buy. My brows looks full. It's really easy to use, plus it keeps your brows in place because it's a gel form. Moving on to shadows. I should have done the shadow probably first because I don't know how much fallout I'm gonna get from these shadows, but obviously I wasn't smart enough and I didn't do it. Let's roll with it. I need the concealer to prime my lids, and I got the LA Colors in shade nude, and it's a concealer corrector. Again, there wasn't many choices there to choose from different shades for concealer or foundation, so I went with the best one. I barely see any coverage on my lids. If you notice, I feel like I just have a little gloss over, I'm gonna set this bad boy. For eyeshadow, I went with Color Mate eyeshadow palettes. So we'll see how is the pigment. Rich, smooth, natural look, long wearing, blends easily. It's Tropical Fusion, the color palette name. Very light. I'm not used to this. This is like, has no weight. I guess my dollar eyeshadow is perfect for traveling. This is, we already know, I'm not gonna say anything. There is no transition color. All of these are shimmery colors that will make my hooded eyes looking more hooded. What I'm gonna do is I will use the bronzer as my transition color because I don't wanna look ugly on the camera. Oh wow. The bronzer brand is Beauty Benefits. The packaging is very similar to the actual Benefits, the Benefit Cosmetics. They really tried. It's oil-free formula, lightweight, flawlessly fun. Does it even make sense? Look at the fallout. I think I'm gonna choose between these three. So I'm gonna go in with the darker color with a very small brush and start from my outer corner and moving in. Just pack the color. Oh wow. Not too bad, guys. These dollar makeups so far are turning not so bad for me. I'm packing and dragging to my crease. I'm not blending it yet. It's a very pretty color. Not too bad. I'm gonna actually use the Wet n Wild, the large eyeshadow brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go over the edges and blend it out. With the flat brush, I'm going in the middle color. It's really pretty. Of course, we keep on going. Honestly, I don't hate this eyeshadow. I know there are so much fallout, but it's workable. For a dollar shadow, it's not bad at all. And if you tap it, there's not much fallout on my cheek. Like I tapped it pretty hard. Well, no, I see fallouts here. Never mind. I take that back. I'm going in with the darker color one more time to just give my eye more dimension. Not gonna lie, a lot of fallout. I'm gonna do the same thing on my left eye. Okay, we got the green base down. I don't know what else I want to do. Like, I kind of want to use the other colors too to see how it's gonna turn. Let's see, guys. Grabbing my very defined brush, I'm dipping in to the navy color. I'm drawing a wing liner with the shadow. I give my eyes more dimension and it actually will lift my eyes. Well, there was no setting spray for me to buy, so that's why I'm just doing the shadow like by itself. Guys, don't worry. It all will come together. At least we can hope for it, right? For a pop of color, I'm going with the lightest green with a very small brush, like a detailed brush. And just pack it in tear duct. Okay, so the light color, it's not really what I envisioned. I'm currently having a fallout party on my cheeks. Oh, I look, guys. We're done with this makeup. All right, I'm gonna add more foundation on the cheeks because we lost it all. And imagine I set my face and I'm going over some area again, probably with this foundation brush. How fabulous. Okay, going in with the color corrector concealer, the very expensive concealer that you can get for $1. Color correct all these expensive bags under my eyes. Okay, I'm setting my under eyes. Powder, it's not too bad. It doesn't, I keep adding it to see if it's gonna like show all the lines under my eyes, and it's not doing it. Why powder? You're $1. You're supposed to show all the lines. Like you see, there is no line under my eyes. I have such a good luck with these dollar makeups. This is gonna be my new jam till I lose my face. Doing my bottom lash line, going in with the navy on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go with the darkest green over the navy and with the fluffier brush and blend these two colors together. Just add the lighter color green in my tear duct area. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going with that ivory color in the palette right over here. For my mascara, I got the Wet n Wild. It's the Enhance and Define mascara. It's supposed to give you full healthy lashes, and it's in the shade Very Black. I'm not a big fan of the brush because they're just too harsh and I feel like it pokes my eyeball every time. For being $1, it's not too bad. This is very good for a person who wears false lashes. This would be a good base for your lashes to lift them up and then put the falsies on. But if you're into a very full lightening lashes, I would definitely suggest Lash Paradise. You can get it from CVS for $9.99. Or I recently went to Costco and I saw the package of 3 for $17, which is a really good deal. That's my most favorite drugstore mascara. Apply some bronzer. Ooh, too much. The bronzer, it's more like pink. I don't know how I feel about the bronzer, guys. I said it's very blendable. I think the bronzer is just great to use it on your lid. I don't know. Ooh, it's getting worse by any second. Okay, this is it. It feels like I went to the beach and I got sunburn all over my face. Gonna blend it out with the setting powder. This is gonna be interesting. Contouring my nose with the bronzer that turns out to be red. Okay, the blush, I don't know how this thing is a blush because LA Colors, it's a powder blush. Silky smooth blush adds a touch of color that stays true for hours. Used to contour and highlight cheeks beautifully. How can we contour, highlight, and give color to something at the same time with one product? The color Peach Rose. This is like a kid makeup. So I'm gonna apply my contour, blush, and highlight on my very fancy and red cheeks. I look like a clown. All this shimmer are so big and chalky. To finish up this amazing, beautiful look, nothing sounds better than this rainbow lip gloss right over here. They didn't really have any lipstick there, so I went with the gloss. I didn't actually know I'm gonna look like a rainbow, but since I look like a rainbow, this is just a perfect fit.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, it's a rainbow.
I guess I'm getting the pink right now. Oh wow, legit clown, guys. Like, why? Why do I do this to myself?
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Ignore my face because I feel like every angle of my face, it's in a different color. But honestly, I don't hate this. This smells good, feels good, very hydrating, unless I'm not gonna have any more lips tomorrow. But so far I'm using the pink part. It's a very sheer finish. pigmented enough. I have 3 favorite products. One is the eyeshadow palette. I know it's kind of hard to work with and you have to build it up, but you cannot score anything better than this for $1. Also, I'm loving the Ardell for my eyebrows. I think it's a very natural look. If you're like me, sleeping on your face at night and all your brows are in different direction when you wake up in the morning, this is perfect too because it sets them in the place. And last but not least, I'm loving the lip gloss. As I said, again, unless I'm gonna get a blister or something tomorrow. I hope you liked it. If you liked it or you didn't like it, no matter what, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, like this video, and that's it. Have a great day, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye.